Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of TDM Eskimo. In the previous video, I talked about what Chrome OS is. This time I'm going to talk about who Chrome OS Chromebooks are for. Knowing that Chrome OS is based on Gentoo Linux, meaning that Chromebook or Chrome OS is not a Windows or a Mac OS PC, meaning we cannot install Windows programs or Mac programs like we're used to in those type of computers. So how do we do stuff? So we have to find solution for Chromebooks. For me, the first line of solutions for getting things done are web-based solutions. As you can see, I use Google Docs for my video making. There are also many other alternative ways to get office productivities done too, like other web services like MS Office online and more. What other kinds of solutions are there for Chrome OS devices? For a few years now, Android support has been other alternative ways of solutions. Android versions of Microsoft products, Adobe products, and more. Now there is Linux Beta. That opens a whole new world of solutions. A person who has been a fan and a user of Ubuntu Linux since version 8.004. I know there is a whole new world of solutions now. For example, there is GIMP and others for photo editing, KDN Live for video editing, LibreOffice for office work, and more. There are a lot of solutions for Chromebooks and Chrome OS type devices. There are not your normal traditional solutions, meaning just install a .exe or .msi file. Chrome OS is a different type of OS. This means you have to find proper solutions, like in Mac OS, install a .dmg file, or with Android, install from the Google Play Store. Same is true with Chrome OS devices. If you are willing to put in the learning curve to find alternative solutions, then Chromebooks and Chrome OS devices may be for you. Thank you.